Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discussing about beautiful living room decoration, designs and ideas, and all the designs are trending in 2023 and people very like this types of living room home decoration designs and ideas. All of the designs we get, we have collected some of the best designs and also this is very trending design and very usable design, effective and attractive design. And if we talk about the people thinking, it's also very creative because all the designs are so much attractive and creative designs, and you should to try these types of living room home decoration designs and ideas. And because very great environment and very great creative living room home decor, and this types of living room home decoration designs people very like, and people wants to try and people wants to decorate our home like this, and this is very amazing designs. All of these home decoration living room home decoration design are all are very trending, and especially this design, it's very unique design with sofa and contemporary chair, and this is also like with some plants of the designs and some of the great designs, and very great design. Very amazing living room home decoration with wall decoration, with wall art, and some of the great design of plants, and creative also, and very attractive design. Because everyone when see this types of living room home decoration, so we're thinking about the very great and relaxable living room home decoration design, and very great living room home decoration with colored theme, and obviously the environment of the living room is also be someone unique, and with sofa decoration and with mini table coffee table design. Like and share our and subscribe our channel. Wait for next video. Thanks for watching.